Good morning, everyone. Um, I'm still very tired. I just woke up, so excuse everything right here. But I am very excited. Um, we're on holiday right now in England, and right now the rest of the family is still sleeping, so I'm just outside with my tea, enjoying the view, which I've probably put in this video, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Um, this week is gonna be amazing. It's gonna be very relaxed. We're gonna visit some gardens. We're gonna go to Brighton because I really want to go there. But which day we're gonna do what? I don't know, and it doesn't matter. So right now I'm just enjoying my tea, enjoying the view, waiting for everyone to wake up and have breakfast, and then we'll see what we're gonna do today, which is very exciting as well. Just having like nothing necessarily to do, just because we're just gonna do fun things. So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy my tea, and you'll probably see me somewhere else in the next clip. Gorgeous.
This is coach number 3 of 8.
We've arrived in Brighton. Let's go.
Shady places.
Yeah. You want to go where we need.
I just did a little bit of shopping in Brighton yesterday. Just a little bit. So, we went to Brighton yesterday, and I expected to film a little bit more than I did, but basically all we did was go shopping, so it wasn't that interesting. But I did go shopping at Nobody's Child. As you can see, I bought 2 bags full, And I specifically saved up for Nobody's Child because I wanted to order. I'm not gonna pay all those customs to order some clothes. So I saved up to go shopping in Brighton at Nobody's Child, and I did. I usually do not spend that much money on clothes, but I wanted to show you guys what I got. So like a little haul, which I thought was fun. So let's do that right now. Also, couldn't find a place to prop up the camera, so it's gonna be semi in the kitchen, living room. So if you see any mess, we're on holiday. Also, by the way, look at my outfit. Comfortable. It's so comfortable. It's just like a white t-shirt from Uniqlo, which is amazing. It's so comfortable, perfectly oversized. And then just like some comfortable cotton pants from ASOS, which are also amazing. Only downside is they have no pockets. But with this warm, hot weather, it's perfect. Anyways, first thing I actually got is because I spent more than £100. And it's like a headscarf. Now, I've never worn a headscarf in my entire life or have touched one. So I have no idea if I'm ever gonna wear this. But I got it, which was kind of cute, and I like it, and maybe I will try it. Just not this holiday. I tried on so much stuff that I went around the shop twice. Because I couldn't carry it all. Didn't buy too many items, to be honest, because a lot of items weren't in my size. Alright, so here's the first clothing item, except for the headscarf. It's this gorgeous blue dress. Probably doesn't look like a lot when I show it to you like this. But it's so comfortable. It's like a little bit tight up here, like a little bit corset, semi-corset I would say, but it's not a corset, it's not hard. But it looks like that, and then it's like a flowy dress. It was perfect. Perfect for hot weather, honestly. Okay, so the next item I got is another dress. And that is this burgundy dress, which is also, let me close that window for a second. I think that's better. It's very simple. It's like a little bit of this like ruffled fabric, which is like also a little bit tight, and then once again like a very flowy skirt, which I love. I actually love these sections that this dress has, so it's actually very nice, very comfortable as well. Love it. I tried it on in yellow. Yellow is not my color, so I went for burgundy. Was still gorgeous though, the yellow. It's just not, you just have to find the right type, like the right shade of yellow for it to be perfect. Just wasn't for me. To be honest, I've basically already showed you everything I got. But the next item I got is like these flowy pants, which are so comfortable. And on top of that, I have like a fitted, like a little shirt, which matches this, which is so comfortable, and I thought it was so cute. Like a sleeveless top with this on the side. I thought it was very cute. Can you imagine it? I like it. Simple. Also, I love stuff that goes together and I can just put it on and my outfit is complete. Because also, the next one, obviously, is also a two-piece. Only this one is like a very comfortable green. A very comfortable green. A very comfortable green trouser. With like a little bit of flowy. Can you see? Very comfortable as well. And for that, I have like a little shirt, like sleeveless, like top, which is very cute. Also perfect for warm weather. Everything's cotton, by the way, so that's nice. That's actually very nice for warm weather. So it's just a perfect top. Very simple. It's basically just a piece of fabric with some strings, but looks amazing as well. And honestly, that is all I got. And I know it's not a very cheap shop. That's why I saved up for it. I really wanted to find a shop that has like some quality clothes, and it seemed like Nobody's Child is a shop like that. And I know the pieces aren't like cheap, but if it's quality, I am willing to pay for that. And I'm trying to move my wardrobe more like to cotton, since it's just more comfortable. And in the summer, weather is hot. And then I want something breathable, something nice. So that's what I'm trying to do. So that's basically that. We just went for a walk. And I'm tired. So I'm gonna go sit outside, have some water, sit in the shade, relax. And I'll see what I can film tomorrow. So tomorrow is gonna be very exciting. I don't know how much I can film, because the people we rent this place from have a surprise for us tomorrow. And it's a garden, that's what I know. And it's like a private garden. And I know, she told us, it's a garden, a private garden where Monty Don has been. Which sounds very exciting, very exclusive. So I don't know what I'll be able to film. But if I can, I'll definitely film some clips. Because that sounds amazing. That sounds so insane. So I'm very excited. So I'll see you guys probably tomorrow. And otherwise on Friday probably. I don't know. I don't know what we're doing this holiday. So I don't know what I'm filming. I don't know what I'm doing. We'll see. And if this is the last clip of the video, because I can't film tomorrow, then thank you for watching. I hope you like this put together vlog from just little clips I could film. And I'll see you guys next time.